Like, I want it to be nice, but I don't think it's just nice. No. That's one of my favorites.
Amazing, huh?
The clouds are really dark over there.
Yep.
You videoing it?
Mm-hmm. That's called the upper cirque. All that that light color there is lower cirque. And that's called Great Scott. Right, that dark reddish brown.
Which one is?
Great Scott's that dark reddish brown. Right there, and where it's green or it goes all the way up.
Oh, yeah.
And that's Mount Baldy.
Well, it's not like bald.
And there's the other tram. And they pull each other. They work as kind of counterweights a little bit. Uh-huh. Yep. Yep, they're opposites.
They look like a mile long, they're not even that long.
So if you hike up, you can tram right down.
I don't know if they generally. I think you can, but the hike up, you know, I would love to do it personally. Maybe I'll go do it this week when you guys are gone. Maybe I'll do it. I was with Wes. I was skiing with Wes and Andrew on Andrew's birthday. Where was it? Over there. It was fun. I like Wes.
You know, he's in Bakersfield.
No, I didn't know
He's
that.
setting up a practice.
Is it really? Bakersfield. Huh.
I don't know if he's bought a practice or he's opening a practice. I've had it on Facebook.
This run.
Yeah, on Facebook, like, I'm now part of this practice. Welcome, West Cardinal.
This run's called Silver Fox. And the one next over is called Mach schnell, which means hurry up in German.
Oh.
Yep. Get going. It was pleasant. Yeah, it was nice. And Mommy, if you look over on that side, no, can't see out there. Mom, if you look on this side, you can see all the other resort, how much bigger it gets. And then you can get from out to Snowbird through a corridor right there. It's safe. Any further up along here, it's very dangerous. But people do it. Sarah,